12 years ago, Cyclone introduced this new tool. It could cut, it could grind, it could clean out the inside of a bowl hole. And over those 12 years, we've been copied by a lot of other brands. But we have been distancing ourselves by making ours the longest lasting in the industry. The V1 grinder is a lot safer than the popular cutting, grinding blades. Blades can break and fly at hundreds of miles per hour in any direction. The V1 grinder is the safest cutter grinder system in the industry. Here we just want to demonstrate how much stone you can remove in one pass. When you want to break that edge to start your router bit, nothing is faster. In just 3 passes, you've broken that edge down enough so you can start your router bit process. Nothing is more versatile. Truly outstanding in Baltic brown. Now just look at the speed. If you want to chop off an edge in 3 centimeter Baltic brown, it's only going to take you a few seconds. Since it's so thin, it is the easiest to handle and safest grinder-cutter combination.